Sachi is Nandana. Yashoda, Nandana. Nanda, Nandana. Nandana means son. So Sachi, Nandana is Gaurahari. Bhaktivinoda's title is Sachidananda. Because Thakura Mahasaya, he was a pioneer. Gauranga Mahaprabhu's teachings were not known at all at that time, and he really brought the teachings out in the light, and he showed how Gauranga Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself, Sachidananda. So that's why the title Sachidananda Namine. Then Gaura Shakti Swarupaya, same thing, because he was really the person in that day and age. Gaura was almost unknown at that time, but so very well known because of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura. That's why Gaura Shakti Swarupaya. Not only Gaura was made known so much by Bhaktivinoda Thakura, Gaura has manifested his Shakti in Bhaktivinoda Thakura. That's why all that literature and everybody were just enlightened about Gaura. So Gaura Shakti is in Srila Bhakti Vinoda Thakura. Gaura Shakti Swarupaya. If Gaura Shakti takes a Swarupa, that's in Srila Bhakti Vinoda Thakura. Gaura Bhakti Swarupaya. Rupanuga Varayate, the follower of Rupa Goswami. Because the followers of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, they were many, but some of them ended up being Sajiya. So Rupanuga Varayate is giving the authenticity, showing the authenticity of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura, that he is a follower of Rupanuga. That's why. Now we can recite together, all of us. I think we can almost recite without seeing now. Yes, we can do it. Yeah? Namo Bhakti Vinodaya Sachidananda Namine Gaura Shakti Swarupaya Rupanuga Varayate. Jai, 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 Jai. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur ki Jai. And now, yes, Lalita Pri Mataji. अब 31 शुरू करना है क्या श्लोका और 32 शुरू करना है?
32 शुरू करना, लेकिन 31 का लास्ट 9 बाकी.
Okay, then 31 श्लोका भी श्लोका से शुरू करेंगे. Yeah, that will be nice. Yeah, together.
मायार वैभव बली बले देवी नामा पंचभूत मनोबुद्धि अहंकार नामा. Maya's manifestation is known as Devi Dhama, consisting of 5 gross elements as well as mind, intelligence and false ego. This planet is made up of 5 material elements, and the gross bodies of the bound devas are also made of these 5 elements. The subtle body that stores the impressions and desires of the jivas is made up of mind, intelligence and false ego. And all these are also material. The jiva, who is a spiritual particle, is naturally pure and situated in Suddha Sattva. He is spiritual and different from the subtle body consisting of mind, intelligence and false ego.
We are saved. We are saved from that wheel. We are put in the devotion. We are taken out of karma and we are put in devotion. And the Poshana is happening constantly. Poshana is happening constantly. So we are not in a karma cycle. We are in devotion. Yes, next one please. Devotees, do you want to rest a little bit or do you want to go? Srila Haridas Thakura. Everywhere it is by your mercy. Everything is your vibhuti. Everything is happening by your mercy. It is your glory. They are very fixed. So fixed at the lotus feet of Bhagavan. Yes, please. Say Homa Vratas. These things people do, and none of these things match what the spiritual thing can give. That's what Srila Haridas Thakura said. Do we do dharma, yajna, yoga, homa, vratas? Or do we do only bhakti to Bhagavan?
We do that for the pleasure of the Lord.
Yes, all your answers are right. Yes, Prabhu, next one. Our bhajan will go in that Nitya Vartamana. So that was there. Yes, Nitya Vartamana Sankirtan. That's a no fatigue zone hai. No fatigue. No fatigue zone. Service pours out from there. Our third one was Lalita Priya Mataji. Third one क्या है Mataji?
No, the Sankirtan was.
Nitya Gurman Prabhu, you remember this? Third one. Gaura Prema Nama Stali. Gaura Prema Nama Stali है ना? Yeah. That was the one. That was from Niraparada Nama to Prema Nama.
Yeah.
है ना?
Gaura software runs inside.
Gaura software runs inside. Prabhu? Installation, spiritual software installation. So transformation started at Nitya Vartamana, then a spiritual software installation, Gaura software installation, Prabhu. Installation hai. When the transformation actually continues, at one point Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur describes how the subtle body gets dismantled because spiritual software installation हो रहा है, इसीलिए subtle body gets dismantled. Yes, Prabhu. Spiritual software installation. That was something. Gaura Prema Nama Stali. And of course the next one was Srivasanga Kirtan. I think everybody's resting. I'll let you rest, dear devotees.
No, Mataji, we are listening. No, we are listening, Mataji.
Listening है?
Yeah.
इतना क्या है? ये reflection का time है. I wanted to hear from you. No, actually, आप लोग, if you have to rest, please rest. नहीं तो reflect करो. Yeah, Shriva Sankirtan है. Maybe you're also meditating. I know.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Honoring and celebrating the loving service of Nitya Vartamana Gaura Prema Nama Sankirtan.
Pran Pavitra Prabhu, you will not forget this.
Yeah.
है ना? आप you will not forget Pran Pavitra Prabhu. Because you didn't expect the question. But wasn't that very helpful to you, Prabhu?
Yes.
है ना? Yes. Sorry, I knew that you didn't know the answer, but still I asked the question so it can register. It can register in me. Pran Pavitra Prabhu. Yes, Mataji.
Sorry.
Pran Pavitra Prabhu, can you say a little more about that, please?
Srinivasangan Mataji.
Huh?
Srinivasangan?
No. Srivasangam. Yes, please.
So Srinivasangan we had in the Gaura Leela it happens in closed doors, but it happened in open doors for us.
Okay.
And it was happened with the mercy of Gaura, and we all celebrated, honored the loving service of the Nitya Vartamana Gaura Prema Nama Sankirtan.
आप तो बट्टीफाई हो गया. Batti is actually a Telugu word. I made it English and I added Hindi there. Sorry. Learnt by heart.
One more, Mataji.
हाँ Mataji.
It's Rasa Leela. Navadip is it? Navadip there is Sankirtan Leela.
Sankirtan Leela. And Nitai Gunana Prabhu said both Vraj. This is both Vraja and at the same time Vrindavan. Vraja and Navadvip. Yeah.
Nitai Gunman Prabhu, can you speak a little more? Why it was more both Vraja and Navavrindavan Prabhu? Oh my God.
They're the same. So it depends on the mood and this thing that you can think like rasa dance is going on while if you're in Vraja, and the same Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which is Krishna, that has come in Navdeep, is Sankirtan. Both are the same. So depending on the mood that you are in, you could enjoy the rasa dance or the Sankirtan or both of them.
Jesus is the answer to all your problems. वो सच है. Every true religion, that's the spiritual message for all your problems. Jesus eva kevalam. Their Prabhupada is Jesus. So yeah.
Again they're singing.
हम भाई संकीर्तन कर रहे हैं, वो लोग भी संकीर्तन कर रहे हैं. Same. Turn towards the Lord. अच्छा लगता है when we see like that. Yes, thank you Prabhu. And Josna Mataji, आप कुछ बोल रहे Mataji? You or somebody कुछ बोल रहे ना? Yes Mataji, Josna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hari Hari.
Two nectar drops I have collected from yesterday, and I am rejoicing them. So that's why I wanted
Yes,
to
please.
share.
Yeah.
I have seen you looking at Gaurachandra Panchatattva so lovingly, and you know I can see the love pouring out from you, and I have heard that Gauranga is so merciful. Gauranga has come to give Premanam that has not been given, all the theory, but that loving glance I was not getting still. But yesterday when what I gathered is that I don't have to do anything to get that prema actually. My job is to just bow down.
Yes.
And I will get it because Gaura and the Gaura Priyajana has decided it's their mission to give it. So that's the reason I will get it. And so I don't have to sweat about it or anything. So all I have to do is that bow down to this mercy, recognize, acknowledge, bow down, cherish, celebrate it. That's it. And I will get it because Gaura has decided to get it and give it. So that created that glance in my eyes. Oh Gaura, oh you have decided. What can I mean, who am I? What am I? What other job I have? So thank you. I mean, I got it late, but I'm thankful I got it. Little bit at least. That is one thing. And the other thing is when we are reading from Harinam Chintamani. So how Haridas Thakur is talking everything related. Oh Lord, it is yours. Oh Lord, it is yours. And I was just thinking that I just want that to ring in my head because everything is yours. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Everything is yours, oh Lord. I am yours and everything else is yours. It's not about me. Mantra is not about me. It is not about all my inadequacy will go away because the mercy is coming. All I have to remember is everything, everyone belongs to the Lord. I belong to the Lord. In just serve whatever little capacity I have to do that. So these 2 points. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Badhiya. Thank you, Mataji. Can we Hari Bol, please? Hari Bol. Thank you.
Thank you, Mati. Thank you, dear devotees. I was going to say that please don't laugh at me that now I am getting it. I'm a little late, but it's okay. That we are hearing about Gora, and I am not connecting. It's all theory here. But I think slowly with the mercy it will come.
Mataji, are you thinking you are getting it late? I'm still trying, Mataji. And when you are saying what you said, I was thinking, may that be the words of blessings, Mataji. That is my prayer. Oh, मैं सोच रहे. So, you are getting, Mataji. That's very good.
Thank you, Mati. Thank you.
Yes.
Hari Bol Mataji. Maybe because I'm sitting next to Jyotsna Mataji, the same thing is rubbing off on me also.
Everything is coming from there, Mataji.
But to just say it in my words so that it is there in my heart for me. 2 things, Mataji. One was that firm that you put it in our heart. You know, mercy has decided to come, and it's there to stay. And all we have to do is honor and celebrate. And it is taking us to the Dvipa of Guru and Gauranga where there is Premanama.
Oh, thank you for reminding me.
And that, you know, it is not anything of, you know, like Jyotsna Mataji said, I don't have to sweat it. They are here, they have come, they are on a mission, and, you know, we just bow down, and that is it. And for me, the other thing, I think, Mataji, just like what she said, but the words for me, I think the Telugu I understand better. So when you said, you know, to me this time, especially just the last Dvipa we did, the Madhuvan, over there for me it was, I am your Sottu Gauranga. You know, so I think that was my thing, that, you know, I am your Sottu. रखना रखो, जाना जरो, जो भी करना है करो, you know, what is there, your Sottu is yours. फेंकना है फेंको.
Your Sottu, yes, your Sottu. Sottu means property, but that is English words. मैं क्या करना? I feel like beating my head on the wall. Sottu mane is like in Hindi क्या?
दौलत था?
नहीं, दौलत नहीं माताजी. आपका
ही
अंश नहीं माताजी. I belong to you. ये belong word है. ये Sottu. This is mine. This is my property. Jaidar, something like that. Yeah.
मैं आपकी जायदाद.
Yeah, ऐसा. Like this car is mine. I said Sottu is like with all authority. You say this is mine. Oh, Sottu. So Gaurangas. Yes, Mataji. Yes, thank you.
Thank you,
Gauranga. Thank you. Gauranga, Mataji. Gauranga.
Does anyone else want to share? Otherwise, there's one bhajan I wanted to sing.
केवल यही तुम कह रहे हो ना, कलयुग केवल नाम आधारा, सुमिर सिमर नर उतरे.
Oh, they have a microphone.
अब तक ये था कि कलयुग में सिर्फ भगवान का नाम ही आधार है, जिसको सुमिरन करके हम इस भवसागर से पार हो सकते हैं. हम ये सोचते थे कि जो नाम हमारे को, उसमें राम का हो गया, उसमें देवी का हो गया, उसमें हनुमान का हो गया, उसमें किसी का हो गया. लेकिन ये वाला बात ये कहता है कि नहीं, सिर्फ कृष्ण नाम होगा.
Oh, there's only 8 minutes, huh? To reach Mataji. Then we can do it later, probably.
8 minutes, right?
मैंने कहा ना खिचड़ी सी
Continue after that.
तेरी खिचड़ी बहुत
Gauranga bolite habe पुलक शरीरा हरि हरि बोलीते नयने बबे नीरा
गौरंगा बोलीते आबे पुलक.
They understand the other parts of Krishna, or so funny when I said that. But
Tadastu Prabhu.
but you can't. Is that better?
Unhold.
Is that better? Yes. Okay. So what I was asking, when we say Krishna is the enjoyer of everything, I don't understand that completely, or maybe not much at all. So I was trying to understand when we say Krishna is the enjoyer of everything, both from a practical, as we lead our lives, and how the scriptures explain it. So I was thinking that.
Yeah, thank you, Prabhu. And simple sentence is, whatever is favorable for the service, whatever is needed to be done, so that will be pleasing Krishna. When there is something that needs to be done, not that I want to do it. So I want to do it is my enjoyment. Something needs to be done, so I will do it. Means I am doing it for the pleasure of Krishna. Like that. So my liking or not liking is not a consideration. But what is needed there for the service, what is told to me or instructed to me, that I will do. That is pleasing Krishna, pleasing Guru and Krishna.
I understand that part. I think the part that I don't understand is the part where it's like, we are in this material world, we are doing our duties.
Yeah.
So we are doing a job, right, for example. So now, how does that result in pleasing, or is the enjoyer of that action?
Two things, Prabhu, when we are in this material world. One is, as you said, the job, the responsibilities. All those are called temporary. They are temporary things as long as we are in this body. So that is one department. What is my responsibility here while I'm in this body? The other thing is, what is my responsibility as a soul? वो भी है. वो भी है. That's first thing. It's not that I'm doing my responsibilities as as a mother or father and Krishna is pleased. नहीं, वो नहीं. That is only first part. That's not all in all. So two departments hai ya. Things that are to be done because we are in this body. Body responsibilities. Ek hai. The other one, soul responsibility hai. Two things. So whatever is body responsibility hai, related to, it is, you dovetail it to Krishna. That's all it can get to. In other words, whatever responsibilities hai, if you are raising children, see that they become devotees. If you are working, job hai, to thoda sa salary donation pe de dena. Aisa. You can dovetail to Krishna. Attach Krishna there. That's all. That can be done. That's all can be done with Naimittika dharmas. With the bodily responsibilities, you somehow bring in Krishna there. That's all. But that's not all in all. Main focus should be, what is my soul responsibility? Soul responsibility is simply seva to Bhagavan. And that comes from who is giving us Bhagavan. That is the second thing, Prabhu. Yeah. So that ऐसा है in these two departments. So in body responsibilities, what thoda kuch you bring in Krishna, that's it. Everybody they try to do it. वो हो गया. But the main point is the seva responsibility. Generally what happens is the third point. People, the devotees, they try to adjust the body responsibilities, try to be perfect there, get very much attached there, either doing it perfectly, so-called good, so-called bad, everything they just get stuck there. And they think they will try to get it better, and they think they will be happy by doing it in some way or other like that. So they are in that room only. They are not even coming to मेरी sole responsibility क्या है. They are not even coming to the other room. And most of the lives can just be spent like that only, in this room. How can I do my responsibility as mother or father the best? Why am I not doing? Maybe I should do this, etc., etc. Everything about the body responsibility. एक ही room है. We haven't come to the other room where there is soul responsibility. But actually, the way it works out is, when we are in this room of soul responsibility, what is the seva that I am offering to Bhagavan as he instructed, as he pleased? वहाँ that's a transformation room है. सब बदल जाता है. So और room में पहले जाते तो we get a lot of strength. Our intelligence gets sharpened. ऐसा, and our perspective बदल जाता है कि मैं a worldly duties कैसे करना है, पूरा perspective बदल जाता है. Then we will find a route from that room to this room. तो वो पहले वो रूम में एंटर होना है. We will find a route from that room to this room, but we will not find a route from this material room to spiritual room. Everything in Bhagavad Gita is Ananyas Chintayanto Mam Sarvadharman Parityaja is all happening in this room. A spiritual room mein it is happening. Then we may think, oh, what about material? Krishna is saying, I will take care of your other room also. Aisa. So we tend to see that as two departments, but actually it is only one. If we are in the spiritual room, we will be able to handle the other room also. Then we will see it's all only one room. Aisa. Oh, that is there, Prabhu, but this response is, आपको, your question was, what does that mean if I do my job, then Krishna will be happy? So do my job में ये है, you are talking about only the job room, material room. Happy or not, that has nothing to do with Krishna actually. We are bringing a little bit of Krishna, that's all. So actually, your question should be with this room here, spiritual room. Krishna is the enjoyer money. So if it is pertaining to this room, okay, Krishna is enjoyer, I am doing my job. But really, Prabhu, Krishna has nothing to do with my job. But Krishna is the enjoyer, Krishna is sitting in the heart of all living entities. When Krishna is sitting in the heart of all living entities, pleased, when my thought, when my action is in a pleasing way to the Lord, Krishna sitting in the heart of living entities, that's when I am giving enjoyment to Krishna. Only then I will be happy. If my thought and action is not in a way that is sensitive to other beings, and when they are not seen in relevance to Krishna, like that, okay. When my thought and actions are self-centered, Krishna is not happy. When my thought and actions are Krishna-centered, seeing others as Krishnas, then Krishna is happy. Oh, I think that is better, Prabhu. And the second thing is, I may think that I will enjoy being self-centered, but that will never happen. We will never be enjoying something, or something else will happen and we'll get hurt. But if I think Krishna-centered, seeing, everything as Krishna, and see that how they are happy, then actually that will make me happy. How is Krishna?
In the other chamber, how is Krishna enjoying?
Oh, okay. In which chamber? Spiritual chamber?
No.
Material में. प्रभु वही मैं बोल रही हूँ. Krishna has nothing to do with the material chamber.
Okay, so that statement does not apply kind of there.
Yeah, not so much.
Not
At
so
the
much.
most, you somehow bring in Krishna there, then okay, Krishna is a little happy. Yeah. Yeah, that's all, Prabhu. Yes. That's called Varnashrama Dharma. You somehow bring in Krishna there. Krishna is a little bit everywhere that we do. Okay, Krishna is thoda sa happy. Like that. Because Krishna is only thoda happy, we also will be only thoda happy, Prabhu. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Prabhu.
Mataji, can I?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Just to clarify for myself a little bit more and to make sure I've got this. When Prabhu asked the question,
Yeah.
and I couldn't hear him clearly, so Prabhu, forgive me if I'm kind of going somewhere else than what you meant. But I've thought of this thing of, Krishna being the enjoyer, and I've thank you, Mataji, for bringing it like that. That actually brought a lot of clarity in terms of the two rooms, and from one room there's connection to another, but if you're staying in the material room, there is no connection to the spiritual. It doesn't happen. That was very nice. But the way I have also understood this that Krishna is the supreme enjoyer, is in terms of tattva itself. If we see, the jiva does not have the capacity to enjoy on its own.
Yeah.
Only Bhagavan can. वो software ही नहीं है. That's like the word
Right.
you use.
Yeah.
That's how I've understood. So please.
Yeah. Yes.
correct.
Yes.
That
Yes.
Bhagavan is the
Yes.
only one that can enjoy, because the ability to enjoy, he is Purusha, and the ability to enjoy is only there in him. I am Prakriti, and there is no. My tattva itself is to be enjoyed.
Yeah. Yes.
There is no question of me enjoying. So
But in being enjoyed, there is enjoyment.
correct.
Boy,
correct.
that's it.
That's my enjoyment.
That is the answer from a tattva standpoint. But I was just trying to tailor the whole thing to what Prabhu was asking.
Right.
Yeah. So both they are in agreement with each other, Mataji.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it is kind of like a fish trying to climb a tree,
Yeah.
The jiva trying
Yeah.
to be happy on its own.
Yeah.
And the merciful Lord, just because I want to be happy on my own and I want to lord it over, has this whole creation takes place so that I can get the sense that I'm enjoying. I'm the enjoyer. Right? Would that
yeah.
be correct to say?
Yes, Mataji. Get a sense just to know that we are not getting enjoyment.
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Just and that it is temporary, and it just you wake up to realize one day that, oh, I'm really not enjoying. But then the Lord does all this, and
Yeah. Maitreya Vidura Uvacha. Vidura says, Sukhaya karmani karoti loko natai sukham va anyaduparamam va vindeta bhuyas tadayeva dukkham yadatra yuktam bhagavan vadenna. Vidura is saying, hey, Maitreya Muni, please speak. As soon as he sent by Uddhava to Maitreya, Vidura's first question is this. Sukhaya karmani karoti loko. This loka, all these people, Sukhaya karmani, in order to get enjoyment, Sukha, they do the karma. Sukhaya karmani karoti loko. But what happens? They are doing the karma, they are doing actions to get the happiness. But what's happening? Natai sukham va anyad uparamam va. There is no happiness coming. And va anyad uparamam va. Whatever trouble was there before, that trouble is also not going away. Vindeta bhuyas tadayeva dukkham. On top of all these things, they get more misery. Yadatra yuktam bhagavan vadenva. what is this going on with this material world? Would you please explain me? Oh, hey. I'll just give an example. In general, reunions happen, right? Sometimes, family reunions. Sometime long years, many years ago, from this side, that side, everybody comes. They are coming. Oh, let's get together, have some good time together. Let's be happy. Everybody. Yeah? They come. Generally, what happens? Natai sukham va anyadu paramam va. Where is the happiness? Frequency match nahi ho rahe. All people from different directions came. But talking is going somewhere. Reactions are going somewhere. Natai sukham. There is no happiness. Meeting is happening. But there is no happiness. On top of that, whatever family quarrels were there 10 years ago, 20 years ago, by seeing this person, Vindeta bhuyas tathayeva dukkham. So, that quarrel that was there 10 years ago did not go away. And on top of this, what is happening? More quarreling has happened. Vindeta bhuyas tathayeva dukkham. The intention is to get happy with this family reunion. But three things. There is no happiness. After all that expectation, time and whatever. And on top of that, whatever quarrel was there before, that was not forgotten. And third one was more quarrel. In general, that's just an example. But that's the nature of the dealings in the modes.
True.
Yeah. And the best case scenario. Okay. The family reunion. Oh, very good. Wonderful, wonderful. And they gave forgive and they are very wonderful now. Very happy, big family. But the time factor is there. And the bodies will go away. And it will come to end one day. Then there is loss inside. When we are attached to the dealings of this world, there will be loss. So there will be pain, there will be misery. Vindeta bhuyas tadayeva dukkham. Anything to do with this material proceedings will have to end in misery, sooner or later. So, that thing holds really good to this material room. If somebody is wanting to be perfect or anything, a material room में ऐसा है, the rule of that material room. That's why best to get into the spiritual room so we find the right path. Right path, and just do all the responsibility with beautiful detachment. Good for them, good for us. But chal karke aja, get into the spiritual realm, back home, back to Godhead. So done the actually that's how the auspiciousness is given to the family members. That's how auspiciousness comes to us too. Nahi to jhanjat. It gets sticky. Sticky is sticky. Good sticky or bad sticky, sticky is sticky in this material world. Why stay in the sticky room? So instead, when we enter glue-free zone, then we'll find a path to enter into that sticky room, but still don't get sticky and then come out of it. Because this is, the chapter name is Purushottama Yoga. Why Purushottama Yoga? Here Paramatma. Sri Bhagavan is actually talking about himself as Paramatma here, the Paramatma form. So, we heard in the shlokas, right? Here, Purushottama, this Paramatma is called Purushottama, and इसलिए the whole chapter is Purushottama Yoga. And क्या है कि 15th chapter में the Lord is Yeah. This is Ashwadhamenam Shuvirudamulam. Is this the same shloka? Same chapter, right? Na? Asanga sastrena drudena chatva. Yeah, banyan tree hai na ye? Yeah. So basically a banyan tree chapter hai. It the easy thing to remember is, so the Lord is first saying, he's actually describing the real trees in spiritual world. Mataji, आपको हिंदी, तेलुगु, English is okay, Mataji? If I start to speak Hindi, Mataji, you may get confused. इसलिए मैं English में ही बात कर रहे हैं. So, a 15th chapter, the real trees in the spiritual world, and this material world is like a mirage. कि क्या है कि if there is a pond and there is a tree standing on the bank of the pond, the reflection of the tree is falling on the water. So, this reflection is the upside down banyan tree. The spiritual world is a real world, and this material world is an upside down banyan tree in the reflection. So, वो बात बोल रहे यहाँ श्री भगवान. So, there is description of the upside down banyan tree first. That is all made of modes. And next, how can a jiva who is in this, on this upside banyan tree upside down, how this jiva can make it to the real world? O bola Shri Bhagavan. And what is the jiva doing in this world? That's the third thing. And because jiva wanted to come in this world, Paramatma also had to come with jiva. So इसीलिए परमात्मा के बारे में है ये chapter में. So these are the main things. Those are the shlokas about. So now when we read the translation, then we will see how they fall in place in this category. Yeah, so now we can read. Okay. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha.
Tree extend downward and upward, nourished by the three modes of material nature. The twigs are the objects of the senses. This tree also has roots going down, and these are bound to the fruitive actions of human society.
Very complicated tree. आपने banyan tree को देखे तो the roots are in the ground, but it has adventitious roots. माने stem से भी roots नीचे आते हैं. ऐसा भी है. So there are roots that are going up and there are roots that are coming down. Very complicated, sticky situation है ये material world में. वही बोल रहे भगवान. हाँ? Banyan tree. Yeah. Because especially banyan tree, not mango tree, because Prabhu, because of these adventitious roots. Their roots grow so big, and the trees can actually, one banyan tree can occupy miles, Prabhu. एक banyan seed से एक banyan tree आता है, and the trunk can be so big, the branches can go so far, and these branches will drop the roots down. They also look like stems. इसीलिए banyan tree example. Yeah, example है, but specifically banyan tree. Example hai, but very clearly describe how complicated the material world is. Yeah. Na rupam asyeha tadopalabhyate nanto na chade na cha sampratishta ashwadhamenam suvirudhamulam asanga shastrena dhrudena chitva तदः पदं तत्परिमार्गितव्यं यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यतः प्रवृत्तिं प्रस्तता पुराणी.
The real form of this tree cannot be perceived in this world. No one can understand where it ends, where it begins, or where
you hear that, Prabhu? How complicated.
Is. But with determination, one must cut down this strongly rooted tree with the weapons of detachment. Therefore, the one must seek the place from which, having gone, one never returns, and there surrender to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, from whom everything began and from whom everything has extended since time immemorial.
This is बहुत बढ़िया श्लोका है. This is released from the prison श्लोका है. कैसे? How? So now this banyan tree is described. This is upside down, very complicated. There is we don't know where the beginning is, where the ending is. So this is the situation, and Bhagavan is saying, Ashwadhamenam Suviruda Moolam. Okay, the roots of this tree are very deep. Asanga Shastrena Dridena Chitva. You have to cut these roots by detachment, by a weapon, Shastra. Take the Shastra of detachment and then cut the roots. है क्या हमारे हाथ में detachment? To cut the roots. Those are not ordinary roots. Bhagavan is saying, Ashwadhamenam Suvirudha Moolam. Very deep. But we have very much hope coming. Tatah padam tat parimargitavyam yasmin gatana nivartanti bhuya. So you cut the roots and then you will make your way to a place where you would not come back. Bhagavan, you already said the roots are so deep. You know, and after all, Jiva, where is this weapon? How does it like? How do I hold? How do I cut? No worries. Tameva chatyam purusham prapadye yata pravriti prastuta purani. Tameva chatyam purusham prapadye. Take the prapatti of the Purusha. You can't cut. Take the prapatti of Purusha. Then yata pravriti prastuta purani. Take the prapatti of the Purusha from whom everything has emanated. Every chapter, at least एक बार प्रपत्ति आते हैं. श्री भगवान उवाच में, है ना? Yes, Mataji. Next one. Is that okay? Nirmala Mataji. Yeah, is that okay? Nirmana moha jita sanga dosha Adhyatma nitya vinivritta kama Dvandvair vimuktaha sukha dukkha samyair Gachanti amudaha padamavyayam tat.
Those who are free from false prestige, illusion and false association, who understand the eternal, who are done with material lust, who are freed from the dualities of happiness and distress, and who, unbewildered, know how to surrender unto the Supreme Person, attain to the eternal kingdom.
Nirmana moha jita sanga dosha adhyatma nitya vinivritta kama dvandair vimukta sukha dukkha samya. So when somebody has all this, then gachanti amudaha padamavyayam tat. Then they can go back to the transcendental realm where there is no fall from. When one has all these qualities, ye kahan se aayega? Nirmana moha. No mana, no moha, jita sanga dosha, and no sanga, jita sanga dosha is no association with the modes. By the way, FYI, we are in the ocean of modes. No association of modes. Adhyatma nitya vinivritta kama. Adhyatma nitya. So that's how. When there is adhyatma nitya, then rest of the things come, and in this way, gachanti amudaha. Gachanti, we go to that place where there is no fall, to that eternal kingdom. So waha adhyatma nitya. By doing that, then prapatti to purusham chadyam. By that, then this upside down banyan tree is cut with the roots of detachment. When the prapatti is taken to the purusham, that's how one can make their way to the spiritual realm through prapatti. And now the Lord is explaining how that spiritual world looks like. Some more details about the spiritual world. Na tad bhasyate suryo na shashanko na pavakaha yad gatva na nivartante tadhama paramam mama.
That supreme abode of mind is not illumined by the sun or moon, nor by fire or electricity. Those who reach it never return to this material world.
So that's the spiritual world. No falling down, no return to this illusory world. There's no need of moon or sun there because they are effulgent, self-effulgent. So that's about the spiritual world. So Bhagavan has spoken about the upside down banyan tree and how the jiva can make its way to the spiritual realm by prapatti to the purusham chadyam, then asanga shastrena dridena chitva, by cutting the roots with the detachment. And then once the jiva makes its way to the spiritual realm, the description of the spiritual realm is given here a little bit, that there is no sun needed, no moon needed. Okay, self-effulgent head. That's about. And what about the jiva? Why is this jiva here in the first place? What is it doing in the upside down banyan tree when it belongs to the spiritual realm? So now Bhagavan is speaking about the jiva. Actually, mamai vamsho jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatanaha manashastrani indriyani prakritistani karshati.
The living entities in this conditioned world are Maya fragments of parts. Due to the conditioned mind, they are struggling very hard with the six senses, which include the mind.
Yeah. So jiva is the part of Bhagavan, but because now it is with its senses including the mind, that is why it is struggling in this illusory world, material world, upside down banyan tree. Now about this jiva who has come to this material world. Jiva is in spiritual world. When the jiva is in its own form, in a spiritual form, it doesn't have any material coverings. But when it comes to this material world, it has material coverings. Now Bhagavan is speaking about the material coverings called body, the gross body and the subtle body, and how they come. Shrotram, yes, shariram yadavapnoti. Yeah. Shariram yadavapnoti yachapi utkramati ishvaraha grihitvaitani samyati vayurgandhani vashaya.
The living entity in the material world carries his different conceptions of life from one body to another, as the air carries aromas. Thus he takes one kind of body and again quits it to take another.
So the subtle body is carried from one life to next. And when the soul is leaving the gross body behind, so it is the subtle body, because the subtle body is still present. Now this jiva has to take one more gross body. Shrotram chakshusu sparshanam cha rasanam grahanameva cha adhishtaya manaschayam vishayam upasevate.
The living entity, thus taking another gross body, obtains a certain type of ear, eye, tongue, nose and sense of touch, which are grouped about the mind. He thus enjoys a particular set of sense objects.
Utkramantam stitam vapi bhunjanam va gunanvitam vimudhananu pashyanti jnana chakshushaha.
The foolish cannot understand how a living entity can quit his body, nor can they understand what sort of body he enjoys under the spell of the modes of nature. But one whose eyes are trained in knowledge can see all this.
So that's the thing. One who does not know Bhagavad Gita, they think it's only this gross body is present. They don't know that there is subtle body inside. But one who hears the Bhagavan Vacha and knows Bhagavad Gita, then they know, oh, this is the gross body, but inside is the subtle body, like that. Yatanto yoginaschainam pashyanti atmani avastitam yatantopi akritatmano nainam pashyanti achetasaha. Did I skip something? No, right? ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 11. Yeah, yes.
The endeavoring transcendentalists who are situated in self-realization can see all this clearly, but those whose mind are not developed and who are not situated in self-realization cannot see what is taking place, though they may try.
Though they may try. I guess we kind of fall in that category. Though they may try. One who has self-realized can actually see what is happening. Yadaditya-gatam tejo jagadbhasayate akhilam yachandramasi yacchagnau tattejo vidimamakam.
The splendor of the sun, which dissipates the darkness of this whole world, comes from me, and the splendor of the moon and the splendor of fire are also from me.
Gam avishya cha bhutani dharayami ahamojasa pushnami chauchadhi sarvaha somo bhutva rasatmakaha.
I enter into each planet, and by my energy they stay in orbit. I become the moon and thereby supply the juice of life to all vegetables.
This is why is Lord coming here to the material world? What made him come? Jiva came. So Jiva decided to come here. So the Jiva has to have some material portion also. Jiva has the body. That body also Bhagavan has to maintain. To maintain that material body also, Bhagavan has to come as Paramatma and maintain the body. इसीलिए sun है, इसीलिए moon है. Sun चाहिए, moon चाहिए, rain चाहिए, grain चाहिए, तभी ये body will sustain. 24/7 on call, serving as Paramatma. Krishna, 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 Krishna. Here I am thinking, I am trying to serve. Lekin Bhagavan, materially, spiritually, what is it that you are not doing? Itna poshana, itna poshana, itna rakshana. Mukham ekkada pettukovalo teliyatledu Mataji. I had to say it in. I don't know where to keep my face. That's what I mean. भगवान इतना कर रहे हैं आप. And here I am. मेरी हालत ऐसा है. I don't know where I can hide my face. So Paramatma has come here because Jiva has to be in this world, and only if there is body, and only when the Jiva thinks that he is controlling this body and other bodies, it will stay here. तो क्या करना है? भगवान भी आना है, वो बॉडी को भी मेंटेन करना है. इसलिए भगवान बोल रहे, I am the sun, I am the moon, and it doesn't stop there. I have entered into all the planets, and that's where they're revolving in the orbit. Planets का आने की जरूरत क्या है ठाकुर जी आपको स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड से? ये जीवा planet में है ना. This jiva is in the planet and the planet has to stay in the orbit. नहीं तो क्या होगा जीवा को? इसीलिए I entered into the planet and that is staying in the orbit. It doesn't end there. और क्या है ठाकुर जी, आप क्या क्या कर रहे हैं जीवा के लिए? अहम वैश्वानरो भूत्वा प्राणिनां देहमाश्रितः प्राणापानसमायुक्तः पचामि अन्नं चतुर्विधम्.
I am the fire of digestion in the bodies of all living entities, and I join with the air of life, outgoing and incoming, to digest the 4 kinds of foodstuff.
मटेरियल बॉडी दिया, ए मटेरियल बॉडी को सस्टेन करने के लिए ऑर्बिट दिया, और ऑर्बिट हैज टू बी इन प्लेस, सो भगवान हैज एंटर्ड इनटू द ऑर्बिट. नाउ दिस इज एट ए यूनिवर्सल लेवल. नाउ कमिंग टू द बॉडी, ये बॉडी तो फंक्शनिंग होना है ना, ए मशीन हैज टू फंक्शन है ना. फॉर दिस मशीन टू फंक्शन, दिस बॉडी हैज टू ब्रीथ, एंड नॉट ओनली ब्रीथ, दिस बॉडी हैज टू ईट ऑल्सो. सो वो ब्रीदिंग भी, वो प्राणवायु में मैं हूँ बोल रहे भगवान. वो जटाग्नि, द डाइजेस्टिव फायर में भी मैं हूँ. आई एम सिटिंग इन द फायर, आई एम सिटिंग as the digestive fire in the stomach of the jiva, the gut of the jiva, to digest everything that he is sending in, so he can survive. And I am sitting as pranapana vayu, the inspiration and expiration, yeah, as a very prana vayu. I am sitting there so he can stay alive. बॉडी को alive करना है, बॉडी को सस्टेन करना है, मेंटेन करना है, वो भी भगवान कर रहे हैं. Doesn't end there. Our Thakurji, please. सर्वस्य चाहं हृदि सन्निविष्टो मत्तः स्मृतिर्ज्ञानमपोहनं च वेदैश्च सर्वैरहमेव वेद्यो वेदान्तकृद्वेदविदेव चाहम्.
I am seated in everyone's heart, and from me come remembrance, knowledge and forgetfulness. By all the Vedas I am to be known. Indeed, I am the compiler of Vedanta, and I am the knower of the Vedas.
भगवान तो a body है ना, the body story is still there, from an universal level to an individual level of feeding the body, digesting the fire, digesting the food, and also keeping the body alive with the prana vayu. हो गया? और क्या ठाकुर जी? I am sitting in the heart also, and I am sitting in the heart sarvasya. I am the reason for their smriti and vismriti. Whatever this jiva wants, I am doing. If the jiva wants to forget me, I am saying, okay, you forget me. The jiva is forgetting and thinking, yeah, that's what the jiva wants, and I'm doing what the jiva is saying, Bhagavan. But when the jiva realizes, oops, what am I doing? The devotees are chanting there. Really? So there is somebody called Bhagavan and he's sitting in the heart. When they come to hear that, then the smriti is given back. So in this way, according to the desire of the jiva, I am giving the memory and forgetfulness accordingly. Jiva cannot forget Bhagavan unless Bhagavan is allowing him to forget. Cannot forget Bhagavan. How do we know that? Because when the smriti is coming back, that's why all those sadhus who are Sharanagata Bhaktas, they cry. Why? That is our natural state. Itna bonded hai Bhagavan se, cannot forget. A little child, can a little child forget mother? A child will not have existence. Survive bhi nahi hota. ऐसा है our true halat. But when the jiva says, I want to try something else without you, Krishna, then okay. I don't even want to say tadastu, apasakunam hoga. I'm just saying only okay. Bhagwan says okay. And that's why our halat is like this. Very abnormal halat hai. Very strange, diseased state hai hamara. So, but that is matta smritir jnanam apohanam cha. It's only Bhagwan has given apoha, the jiva forgets Bhagwan. But when the jiva is ready, then Bhagwan gives smriti. And when the smriti comes, then the jiva knows Vedaisya sarvairahameva vedyo. It's only Bhagwan that is to be known. This is so good, Bhagwan. Just hearing about you. And next, this is about Paramatmana. Dva imau purushau loke sharaschakshara eva cha shara sarvani bhutani kutasto akshara uchyate.
There are two classes of beings, the fallible and the infallible. In the material world, every living entity is fallible. And in the spiritual world, every living entity is called infallible.
This is explained more in Paramatma Sandarbha of Jiva Goswami. So from this Lord, Sarvasyaham Hridi Sannivishta, this Lord in the heart, from Paramatma, the Jivas came out. And some Jivas are eternal, Nitya Siddhas. And some Jivas are Nitya Baddhas. So those Nitya Siddhas are infallible. And Krishna Sukha Vasana, those are infallible. Swasukha are fallible. Okay. Uttama Purushastvanyaha Paramatmeti Udahritaha Yo Lokatrayamavishya Bivarti Avyaya Ishvaraha.
Besides these two, there is a greatest living personality, the Supreme Soul, the imperishable Lord Himself, who has entered the three worlds and is maintaining them.
So it is amazing and strange that Bhagavan is speaking Himself like, besides this, there is a Supreme Soul. Bhagavan is talking is about His expansion as the Paramatma. So yeah, so
over here, why He's talking in third person Mataji instead of, everywhere else He's talking, it's me, it's me, it's me.
Yeah, because He is Bhagavan. Here is the expansion.
Okay.
Hai na? Yeah.
Okay.
So Paramatma is not Bhagavan.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bhagavan, when he is coming with the Atma, then he is Paramatma. He is not Bhagavan, right? He is not having his pastimes. Paramatma is bound with Jiva. He is supervising hai, sanctioning hai, calm 24/7. The pastimes is Bhagavan.
Got it.
Yeah. So, this is Paramatmeti Udahrata. Uttama Purusha. Paramatmeti Udahrata. Yo Lokatrayamavishya Bibharti Avyaya Ishvaraha. He is the Ishvara. He maintains them, He controls them, the three worlds. Then, Yasmat Ksharam Atitoham Aksharadabichottamaha Atosmi Loke Vedecha Pratita Purushottamaha. See Purushottama Yoga. यहाँ से आया. Text 18, Shloka 18 से. Translation.
Because I am transcendental beyond both the fallible and the infallible, and because I am the greatest, I am celebrated both in the world and in the Vedas as that Supreme Person.
As Purushottama, Supreme Person. Purusha Uttama. Yo mam evam asammudho janati purushottamam sa sarvavid bhajati mam sarvabhavena bharata.
Whoever knows me as the Supreme Personality of Godhead without doubting is the knower of everything. He therefore engages himself in full devotional service to me, O son of Bharata.
So wonderful, Hannah. engaging in full devotional service to this Purushottama, who is Sarvasya Chaham Hridi Sannivishta. That's beautiful. Iti guhyatamam shastram idamuktam maya nagha etad bhutva buddhimanasya kritakrtascha bharata.
This is the most confidential part of the Vedic scriptures, O sinless one, and it is disclosed now by me. Whoever understands this will become wise and his endeavors will know perfection.
Yes. निताई गुरुमन प्रभु, आपने क्वेश्चन पूछे ना माता जी, हाउ इज कृष्णा एंजॉयर? यहाँ भगवान बोल रहे प्रभु, they saying यो माम एवम सम्मूढ़ो जानाति पुरुषोत्तमं स सर्वविद भजति मां सर्वभावेन भारत. When we do that, then Krishna is happy. As Purushottama, he is sitting in the heart. So when we are making Krishna, that is sitting in the heart, happy, so that's why he's saying, I am the enjoyer. Your duty is to keep me happy. I am sitting in the heart of living entities. So that is what Krishna is, the supreme enjoyer means. Totally in a different room hai Prabhu. वो सर्वस्या हम हृदय सन्निविष्ट room में है Prabhu. And we were talking about the banyan tree upside down. वो दूसरा room है. Yeah.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, the infallible and fallible jivas,
Yeah.
is it that infallible comes from Paramatma and fallible comes from Paramatma and infallible comes from Balaram, or both comes from Paramatma?
Yeah. According to this and Paramatma Sandarbha also, infallible, there are different categories to Mataji. You know, Krishna's very own parents hai na, Shaktis hai na, they are all from Sandini Shakti, means Balaram.
Yes.
But they are perfected beings also, not necessarily eternally Shakti, you know, from Sandini Shakti. That is from Paramatma Vaibhava.
Oh, okay.
Aisa. You know the Shritichari gopis?
Yes.
They are jivas,
Yes.
but perfected beings.
Yes.
Aisa wala.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Mataji, Nirmala Mataji, okay Mataji? Is a little idea. Thank you. Thank you, Mataji. Gopis talk about Krishna. I say na,
Yes, Mataji.
you are now you thief. Yes, please continue. Please help me. I am surrendered to you. I am taking ashraya of you. Karoti bhikshu. You make them beggars.
Yeah.
They come to you begging, help, help. And you make them beggars. You take everything from them. You take their karma, you take their sins, you take their bandham, yamapasha bandham, bhavapasha bandham, everything. What is it they are left with? You make them paupers. Itna acha way of saying it, huh? Yes, yes. A kind of thief who steals everything. He's not stealing those who don't care about him. He's stealing somebody who is coming and saying, begging Bhagavan, please help. Did you see this thief? This thief steals from those who take ashraya of him and makes him beggar. Did you hear this kind of thief in these three worlds? Is he an ordinary thief? No. Chauragraganyam purusham namami. Yes, Mataji.
यदि अनामापि हरति अशेषं गिरिप्रसारानपि पापराशिन् यदि अनामापि हरति अशेषं गिरिप्रसारानपि paparashin.
Do you know about this thief, Mataji? Do you know? He's a very powerful thief. एक बार Krishna बोलना, mountains and mountains of wealth of sins, if they are wealth, mountains of sins that have been accumulating for lives and lives. एक बार में Krishna, and I look back and see all the mountains of sins are gone. Mountains of sins, Harati Asesham, countless sins in one nama. Eto Chauragraganyam Purusham Namami. Chauragraganyam Purusham Namami. Yes, please.
Yadiyanamapi harati ashesham giriprasaranapi paparashin. Yadiyanamapi harati ashesham giriprasaranapi rasaran. Like hilaye ek baar, right Mataji?
Can we? Yes. Mataji, he doesn't even say hilaya ek baara nahi dekhe anya prakara. वो भी नहीं बोल रहे. Because for sins you don't have to hilaya ek baara nahi dekhe anya prakara. Nahi dekhe anya prakara is for niraparada nama.
Yes.
For prema bhakti.
Yes.
For sins. Can we one time call Krishna, but not just for the sins to go away. वो तो हमारी अपराध भक्ति से भी sins they are being washed off. है ना?
Yes.
Yeah. So yes, please.
आश्चर्य रूपो ननु चौरैद्र दृष्ट्वा श्रुतो वा न मया कदापि. आश्चर्य रूपो ननु चौरैद्र दृष्ट्वा श्रुतो वा न मया कदापि. आश्चर्य रूपो ननु चौरैद्र दृष्टा श्रुतो वा न मया कदापि. आश्चर्य रूपो ननु चौरैद्र दृष्टा श्रुतो वा न मया कदापि. Disbelief.
निताई गुण मैंने प्रभु, आप सुन रहे चौराग्रगण्य के बारे में? स्पिरिचुअल रूम में चौराग्रगण्य है प्रभु. मटेरियल रूम में नहीं है. And he's going to steal the hearts प्रभु. You hear about the चौराग्रगण्य? आप सोच लेना प्रभु. माता जी आप गाओ माता जी. चौराग्रगण्य के बारे में गाओ माता जी. नॉन स्टॉप घर में भी गाओ माता जी. लाइक वेणुप्रेम माता जी सिर्फ कृष्ण कथा दे. आप ओ निताई नामहट्ट में जाके चौराग्रगण्यम पुरुषम नमामि. All Purushottam Masa Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
By the end of Purushottam Masa, do you know how we know the Purushottam Masa has come to a pause to start next year? Nitai Gurmani Prabhu will come to and say, dear devotees, dear Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, I can't stop myself from saying this. In this Purushottam Mas, somebody stole my heart. Chauragraganyam Purusham Namami.
Hari Bol, Mataji.
Hari Bol. Nitai Gurmani Prabhu. हो गया प्रभु. होता है प्रभु. माता जी आप the whole month
Yes,
ऐसे शुरू
yes,
करें.
yes,
Yes, please.
Day and night.
Yes. Be
Dhana.
careful माता जी.
हाँ.
Not only Nitai Gurmani Prabhu's heart,
हाँ.
आपका heart भी stolen होगा.
Mataji.
और निर्मला माता जी भी है. और
मेहुल भी है.
मेहुल भी है. We come home, we find
Heartless
four devotees
people.
there. Heart stolen. Heartless नहीं, heart stolen है माता जी.
Yes.
Yes, please continue.
धनं च मानं च तथीन्द्रियाणि प्राणांश्च हृत्वा मम सर्वमेव. धनं च मानं च तथीन्द्रियाणि प्राणांश्च हृत्वा मम सर्वमेव धनं च मानं च तथेन्द्रियाणि प्राणांश्च हृत्वा मम सर्वमेव धनं च मानं च तथेन्द्रियाणि प्राणांश्च हृत्वा मम सर्वमेव.
ट्रांसलेशन माता जी
Yes.
आप ही पढ़ना एंड प्रभु आप सुन सकते. माता जी पढ़ते ट्रांसलेट आप प्लीज.
O thief, having stolen my wealth, my honor,
No, what first one माता जी?
having stolen my wealth,
wealth प्रभु. Okay.
my honor, my senses, my life, and my everything, where can you run to?
So that's the deal that's coming to you, Prabhu. Chauragraganyam. Mataji, did you mic?
Said I accept.
Haribo! Mami, Chauragraganyam purusham namami. धनं च मानं च तथेन्द्रियाणि प्राणांश्च हृत्वा मम सर्वमेव धनं च मानं च तथेन्द्रियाणि प्राणांश्च हृत्वा मम सर्वमेव पलायसे कुत्र धृतोऽद्यचोर त्वं भक्तिधाम्नासि मया निरुद्ध पलायसे कुत्र धृतोऽद्यचोर त्वं भक्तिधाम्नासि मया निरुद्ध. O thief, having stolen my wealth, my honor, my senses, my life, and my everything, where can you run to? I have caught you with the rope of my devotion.
So when we come to Nitai Namahatta, when we see all of your 4 of hearts stolen, so you please tell where this Chauragraganya is and give us the darshan of Chauragraganya, Mataji. Huh? All 4 of you deal?
Yes, ma'am.
Please. Purushottam's deal hai, Prabhu? Yes.
He's sitting in altar, Mataji. He's there. He's there.
But Nitai Gundmani Prabhu said yes. So, sige Mataji, next.
छिन्नत्सि घोरं यमपाशबन्धं भिन्नत्सि भीमं भवपाशबन्धं छिन्नत्सि घोरं यमपाशबन्धं भिन्नत्सि भीमं भवपाशबन्धं छिन्नत्सि घोरं यमपाशबन्धं भिन्नत्सि भीमं भवपाशबन्धं छिन्नत्सि घोरं यमपाशबन्धं भिन्नत्सि भीमं भवपाशबन्धं. You cut the terrible noose of Yamaraj. You sever the dreadful noose of material existence.
Mane Prabhu, material room hai na? There will be only spiritual room. But the good thing is, Prabhu, remember, from the spiritual room, there will be a very safe entry to material room. Come, khatam karke, back to back home, Godhead. So, wo bol rahe Chauragraganyam. Is that deal okay with you, Mataji? Just Mataji?
Absolutely.
Oh, because I don't want to get in trouble. No, God. Only if you like the deal, Chauragraganyam will come.
Yes, Mataji. Yes. छिन्नत्सि घोरं यमपाशबन्धं भिन्नत्सि भीमं भवपाशबन्धं छिन्नत्सि घोरं यमपाशबन्धं भिन्नसि भीमं भवपाशबन्धम् छिन्नत्सि सर्वस्य समस्तबन्धं नैवात्मनो भक्तकृतं तु बन्धम् छिन्नत्सि सर्वस्य समस्तबन्धं नैवात्मनो भक्तकृतं तु बन्धम् छिन्नत्सि सर्वस्य समस्तबन्धं नैवात्मनो भक्तकृतं तु बन्धम् छिन्नत्सि सर्वस्य समस्तबन्धं नैवात्मनो भक्तकृतं तु बन्धम्. You cut the terrible noose of Yamaraj. You sever the dreadful noose of material existence, and you slash everyone's material bondage. But you are unable to cut the knot fastened by your own loving devotees. माता जी, मैं सोच रही थी कि ऐसा जब अगर बाई चांस आपने पूछा कि डील एक्सेप्ट है कि नहीं, अब मैंने कहा यस, और अगर कुछ हिला तो गुरुदेव के चरण तो हैं पकड़ने के लिए, टू होल्ड ऑन टू इट.
बैकअप प्लान है प्रभु.
नहीं, नॉट बैकअप नहीं,
वही
बैकअप नहीं, स्ट्रेंथ के लिए, स्ट्रेंथ के लिए. मनमानसे तामस राशि घोरे कारागृहे दुःखमये निबद्ध. 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 O stealer of my everything, O thief, today I have imprisoned you in the miserable prison house of my heart, which is very fearful due to the terrible darkness of my ignorance. मनमानसे तामस राशि घोरे कारागृहे दुःखमये निबद्ध. मनमानसे तामस राशि घोरे कारागृहे दुःखमये निबद्ध. लभस्व हे चौर हरे चिराय स्वचौर दोषोचितम् एव दण्डम्. लभस्व हे चौर हरे चिराय स्वचौर दोषोचितम् एव दण्डम्. O stealer of my everything, O thief, today I have imprisoned you in the miserable prison house of my heart, which is very fearful due to the terrible darkness of my ignorance. And there, for a very long time, you will remain, receiving appropriate punishment for your crimes of
ऐसे
evil.
कैसे बोल रहे? Now the chore is getting very scary, Mataji. वो imprison ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हैं? It is dark with ignorance. इतना darkness चोर को डर लगता है माताजी.
चोर आएगा तो सब लाइटन हो जाएगा.
डर लगता है चोर को. ऐसे कैसे imprison करते हैं? वो चोर को बहुत डर लगता है.
He's hiding behind Mother Yashoda.
वो चोर को बहुत डर लगता है. ये बिभेति स्वयं भयम. So Shaunak Rishi explaining the glories of Harinama, there the Harinama is glorified as just the Nama Bhasa. The power of Nama Bhasa is the Nama that scares the person who is fear personified. वो है यहाँ बिल्व मंगल ठाकुर है I am imprisoning you. And you saying, डर लगता है ना चोर को, वो थोड़ा सा डार्क है ना, prison. Only a bhakta can say this, a raga bhakta. I'm going to imprison you in my heart, you know. It's very dark there and there is no exit. And I tied you very tight there. You heard that? Chauragra Ganya. And yeah, this is the punishment for all the mischiefs. Yeah, Swachaurya. You do all these thefts and you don't have limits to your thefts. Now I am punishing you. Now, take the punishment. You have bought this upon yourself. You stole so much, and this is the punishment for you. You stay imprisoned. No, Sanskrit acha hai. Can you please say that again, Mataji?
Swachaurya doshochitam eva dandam.
Swachaurya doshochitam
eva dandam.
I am giving you dandana. Bhagavan is saying, Bhoktaram Yajna Tapasam, I am Sarvaloka Ishvara. And here is Bhakta saying, Chauragraganya, I am giving you dandana. I am imprisoning you. That's not an ordinary one. It's a very dark one. Very dark, and you will be tied up tight. You're saying, Ishvara Parama Krishna. And then, Bhoktanam Yagnatapa Sarvaloka Maheshwaram. वो वैकुंठ बात है चौराग्रगण्या, ये वैकुंठ नहीं है. This is Bilvamangala Thakur. Yes, Mataji.
मन मानसे तामस राशि घोरे कारागृहे दुःखमये निबद्ध. मन मानसे तामस राशि घोरे कारागृहे दुःखमये निबद्ध.
Not only it is dark, it will be miserable because my heart is filled with miseries. And I'm putting you there, so you also will become miserable. Very scary and miserable होता है चौराग्रगण्य, ठीक है? Yes, Mataji.
लभस्व हे चौर हरे चिराय स्वचौर्य दोषो चितमेव दण्डम्. लभस्व हे चौर हरे चिराय स्वचौर्य दोषो चितमेव दण्डम्. कारागृहे वस सदा हृदये मदीये. कारागृहे वस सदा हृदये मदीये.
I am giving you ultimatum, O Chauragraganya. Do you hear that? In this Karagra, this prison house, which is very dark and is miserable, you are put here and you are imprisoned with tight ropes. Yes, Mataji, please continue.
And sada hridaye.
Sada, forever. You represent forever. Yes, Mataji.
Mad bhakti pasha drada bandhana nishchala hasan.
If you try to, you may think, oh, I can make my way out, even if it is dark here. I will make out of this misery. No, nothing like that will work. Mad bhakti pasha. My loving devotional ropes are very tightly binding you. You can't get away from this Karagra. Yes, Mataji.
Tvam Krishna he pralaya koti shatantare api. Krishna he pralaya koti shatantare api. सर्वस्य चौर हृदयान् नाहि मोचयामि. सर्वस्य चौर हृदयान् नाहि मोचयामि.
You are imprisoned here forever, Chauragraganya. I am so sorry to say there is never a release for you. Chauragraganya, this is your fate with me. ये बिल्वल मंगल ठाकुर है ना माता जी?
Yes, Mataji.
You know Bilva Mangala Thakur, huh? See, these words have to come from that great personality. He pierced his eyes,
Yeah.
है ना? ऐसे लगता है कि ऐसे होता है क्या? ऐसे भी होता है. Devotees like that. Devotion, Prabhu. When you hear all this, you know, he is sounding scary. Bilva Mangal Thakur. Prabhu ऐसा गा रहा है, लेकिन बात है कि Bilva Mangal Thakur fell in love with this Chauragranya, Prabhu. That's why he didn't care for dhanam cha, manam cha, kuch bhi. He ऐसे ही होता है ना. He is running after the Chauragranya and he doesn't care for anything. And in the process क्या हो गया कि he didn't know what fear of death means. ये birth है क्या, death क्या है, यमराज क्या है? So he stepped on to the fear, Prabhu. Fear did not threaten him because he's running after Chauragraganya. He's not concerned about life and death anymore, and all the bandhas are gone because he's only seeing Krishna in every bandha. In every relationship, he's seeing only Krishna. So that's why he's unable. All the previous bandhams, they are gone. Krishna has stolen them. Krishna has come and sit in their place. Good deal hai na, Prabhu? Bahut acha deal hai na? So, this is the whole point. Because he fell in with Chauragraganya, he's simply kind of accusing him. But that's the matter, Prabhu. That's what happens in the spiritual room, Prabhu. So, that looks like little fearful, but wo baat nahi. This is from Raga Bhaktas. When they have so much for Bhagavan, so much love for attachment and absorption in Bhagavan, it's just Krishna, 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 Krishna and Krishna everywhere. Everywhere all the time. With great attachment and loving absorption. So, wo hai baat. Chauragraganya. That's all, Prabhu. Only auspicious things happen in the spiritual room, Prabhu. Huh, Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. Actually, we're all signing and begging for the deal. So, you don't have to worry, Prabhu. We're also begging for the deal. Where it's all Krishna, 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 and Krishna, and Krishna, and Krishna, and Krishna. Inside out, outside in, all the time, everywhere, no matter what. All of us. हम blindfolded sign कर रहे, beg कर रहे, प्रभु. Yes.
The whole Sankirtan van is the prison house.
Oh yes, Mataji. Yes. And he is bound here very lovingly with a beautiful smile. But the thing is, Mataji, ये prison house में darkness नहीं है, Mataji. इतना effulgence आ रहा है यहाँ से और misery भी नहीं है, Mataji. ये smile देखना.
Yes, Mataji. Yes.
हाँ, Kali-yuga Kara. Oh, this is very good, yeah. Kali-yuga Karagraha में, when Gaurachandra comes, no misery, no darkness, and Gaura doesn't want to leave our heart. We don't have devotional ropes anyway. Gaurachandra knows this.
Yes.
That's why he doesn't want to leave our hearts. Very merciful, hai na?
Yes.
Oh, this is a good deal. Prabhu, we certainly are signing up for this. Signing up our life for this deal, Prabhu. Gaura. Gaura in the heart. Thank you Mataji for the Chauratra Ganyam.
Thank you
Yes.
Mataji.
Jaya Jaya Hari Nama Chidananda Amrita Dhama.
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 Paratattva Akshara
Paratattva Akshara Akara.
Paratattva Akshara Akara.
Paratattva Akshara Akara.
Nija jane kripa kori nama rupe avatari.
Nija jane kripa kori nama rupe avatari.
Jive doyang korile apara.
Jive doya korile apara.
Jive doyang korile apara.
Jive doya korile apara.
Yes, Prabhu, translation first.
All glories to the holy name, the abode of immortal transcendental bliss, the supreme absolute truth, who possesses an eternal form, has descended in the form of the holy name. He shows mercy to his devotees and shows boundless compassion and kindness to all fallen souls.
Jaya Hari Krishna Rama Jagajana Suvishrama.
Jaya Hare Krishna Rama Jagajana Suvishrama.
Sarvajana Manasa Ranjana.
Sarvajana Manasa Ranjana.
Jaya Hari Krishna Rama Jagajana Suvishrama.
Jaya Hare Krishna Rama Jagajana Suvishrama.
Sarvajana Manasa Ranjana.
Sarvajana Manasa Ranjana.
Muni Vrinda Nirantara Jena Mera Samadhara.
Muni Janda Nirantara Jena Mera Samadhara.
Kori Gaye Bhoriya Vadana.
Kori Gaye Bhoriya Vadana.
Kori Gaye Bhoriya Vadana.
Kori Gaye Bhoriya Vadana.
All glories to the Supreme Personality of God, who is called by different names, such as Hari, Krishna, and Rama. He is the auspicious resting place of all living entities within the universe, and he delights the minds of all souls, great sages, honoring his holy name, constantly singing that holy name, filling their mouths with the sound.
O He Krishna Namakshara Tumi Sarva Shakti Dhara.
Hare Krishna Namakshara Tumi Sarva Shakti Dhara.
Jiverang Kalyana Vitarane.
Jivera Kalyana Vitarane.
O He Krishna Namakshara Tumi Sarva Shakti Dhara.
Hare Krishna Namakshara Tumi Sarva Shakti Dhara.
Jiverang Kalyana Vitarane.
कल्याण वितराणे
तोमाविन भावा सिंधु धारिते नाही बंधु
तोमाविन भावा
सिंधु धारिते नाही बंधु आशिया छो जीव उद्धाराणे
आशिया छो जीव उद्धाराणे
आशया छो जीव उद्धाराणे
आशिया छो जीव उद्धाराणे
O eternal holy name of Krishna, you possesses all powers and bestows auspiciousness upon the living beings. Without you, there is no other friend to deliver us from the ocean of material existence. You have come for the deliverance of all fallen souls.
अचेताप जीवे जाता तुम्ही सबको रोहाता
अचेताप जीवे जाता तुम्ही सब करो आता
हिलाया तुम्हारे एक बार
हिलाया तुम्हारे एक बार
अचेताप जीवे जाता तुम्ही सबको रोहाता
अचेताप जीवे जाता तुम्ही सब करो आता
हिलाया तुम्हारे एक बार
हिलाया तुम्हारे एक बार
डाके जाडे को नो जाना हो ये दीन आकिंचना
डाके जादी को नो जाना होए दीना किंचना
नाही देखे अन्य प्रतिकार
नहीं लेके अन्य प्रतिकार
नाही देखे अन्य प्रतिकार
नहीं लेके अन्य प्रतिकार
For all souls within this world, there is such misery and sorrow. O Harina, if someone calls upon you just one time, feeling himself very weak and lowly, possessing nothing and seeing no other remedy for his relief, you then easily destroy all his sorrows.
तव स्वल्प स्फूर्ति पाय उग्रताप दूरे जाय
तव स्वल्प स्फूर्ति पाय उग्रताप दूरे जाय
लिंग भंग होए अनायासे
लिंग भंग होए अनायासे
तव स्वल्प स्फूर्ति पाया उग्रताप दूरे जाया
तव स्वल्प स्फूर्ति पाय उग्रताप दूरे जाय
लिंग भंग होए अनायासे
लिंग भंग होए अनायासे
भक्ति विनोदा को ये जया हरि नाम जया
भक्ति विनोदा
को ये जया हरि नाम जया पड़े ताके तू आपदाशे
पड़े ताके तुआ पदाशे
पड़े ताके तू आपदाशे
पड़े ताके तुआ पदाशे
जय जय हरि नामा चिदानंद अमृत धामा
जय जय हरि नामा चिदानंद अमृत धामा
परतत्वाक्षर आकार
परतत्व अक्षर आकार
Yes, Prabhu.
If one simply obtains a slight reflection or glimmer of you, then all sorts of terrible miseries disappear. Thakur Bhaktivinoda says, all glories to the holy name of Lord Hari. O Harinam, I perpetually fall at your lotus feet. Hare Krishna.
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur ki jai.
Jai.
Shri Harinam ki jai. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Shri Harinam ki jai. Gaura Prema Nam ki jai. Yes.
Mataji, I want to say,
Yes, Prabhu.
I don't know, I feel like the mercy is flowing. Because like the bhajan, Chidananda Amruta Dhamma, like I never sang it. Not only that, like I never sang any bhajan. And then this is the first time I ever sang a bhajan.
Chidananda.
It's all mercy from you. Thank you very much.
Chidananda
Thank you.
Amrita Dhamma. Hari Nam Prabhu ki jai.
Jai.
Yes. Anything else from anything, dear devotees? Naito, we will end with Sri Sikshashram. Huh? Yes, ma'am. Yes, please.
Mataji, I wanted to ask you, when the Suvishrama verse,
Yes, Mataji.
I remember you saying that should be like our resting
Yes.
heartbeat.
Baseline.
Can you elaborate once more? Can you speak a little bit more
Soothing
about
shelter. So Vishrama is soothing shelter. Of course, resting. Resting in the soothing shelter. We just give everything to Harinam. No worries, no controller, nothing. Upper chamber factory close. Hamad, so Vishram. Hamad, ठीक है?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Mataji.